What's up guys, Wolfen Wolfclaw here and welcome to a new video. We need to talk about a few updates. And yes, you can already see the updates on the background are already coming in hot for you. But we need to go directly to blogs immediately. We're going particularly to this blog. If it will load faster, that would be quite helpful because then I can tell you exactly what changed. It's called the Locks and Colors Updates. That's why I called this blog post. Here's the details. I said, to keep everyone updated, I've recently made significant updates to the designs. Focusing, there we go, I'm terrible at reading. Focusing heavily on a red theme. While a few pages remain unchanged, a large portion of the website now features this new design. Additionally, I've locked several pages, including the entire Communities and Blogs tab, meaning everything within those tabs is restricted. To access these features and pages, you need to become a member. Services like watching YouTube videos or accessing publicly accessible links remain accessible or are restricted to members only for our benefit. Apart from that, nothing else is locked. For more information on creating an account, visit the Resources tab and click on Help Articles. I'll continue doing my best with and for fucking hell. For administrative bullcrap, I've added new shit. Yeah. And I also somehow fucked everything up in the process, but was able to fix it afterwards. Other than that, let's go deeper into this. Help articles as I instructed. Of course, if it will load, that would be lovely. You're gonna want to see this before you ever decide to sign up to the website. Go to how to create an account. Go into that detail because that's important. Manage the emails we send. Go to that as well. And you can see these two things. So these are the most important parts of our website design and how it works. And of course, if you are having trouble, maybe you might want to look at this. Speaking of trouble, we need to talk about policies. While I'm too lazy to talk about policies, long story short, at least read them before you sit there and say I want to join, because I've seen this on big tech social media. People don't read the policies or service bullcrap that's on the continue bar, and they hit continue and get banned for thinking it's nothing when it's something. Some people do, though, get banned for nothing and don't deserve to get banned, but some people genuinely do deserve to get banned. And recently I've seen a surge, so I want to make it clear to anyone who has lost their Instagram account, I am so sorry. To anyone who has lost a Twitter, a YouTube, a Facebook account, I am so sorry. Even though I barely play Roblox, I'm sorry to you guys as well, because I know what it is to lose an account. In fact, I lost my own account, and I got a blog about that you can read, but here's kind of the detail of that blog. I basically went on to say how I lost my Facebook account and that other people are starting to deal with the same shit with these companies. And honestly, I went into detail on a lot of related topics, but that's kind of long story short. I made it clear that this needs to end, this needs to be fixed. If you end up liking this video, please subscribe. I know I sound a bit weird today. It's just, it's 3 a.m. in the fucking morning. I have barely drinking any water. I'm tired, and honestly, I just wanted to be able to give you guys this update because I believe there's an important need for transparency in this community. And of course, let's make it clear, This is here for a good reason. Safety starts with understanding AuraWulf, how AuraWulf operates, its community, platform governance, control, and sustainability. The developer provides this information and may update it over time. Age 18 plus unhinged. This community is adult oriented. Privacy is in user hands. You're allowed to control your own privacy. Blah blah blah. Anyways, goodbye for now.